friends in my school.
Okay.
Except Shivi, in my life, no
Acha,
one
here is
is
Shivi,
my
Shivi?
no.
Okay, Shivi.
No one is my friend.
Okay,
in my
okay,
life.
clap for her. Why?
She is my
Hey, hi. I know that you guys totally love our videos, but the problem is you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet. So, do consider subscribing our YouTube channel as we upload the content that is going to help you in near future. Chaliye. Okay, Sajda ji and Arshi, tell me, according to you, what is the definition of success? How can you say that someone is successful by looking at them? Like if I give you a person, like for an example, and he is standing next to you, okay, you have to say this is a successful person and this is an unsuccessful person. So tell me the definition of success according to you. What is the definition of success? What is success?
Sir, my perspectives, success is happiness.
ऊपर उठाइए.
Sir, success is happiness, family is happiness.
Okay, like according to you, if there is a scrap dealer, kabadi wala, and if he's happy, you think that he is successful?
No, sir.
No?
he is successful if he doing good in his
He's a
life.
scrap dealer. He sells kabad here and there
No, he is
and
not
buys.
a
He's not successful.
But if someone doing good in his life, he
And he's
lives
doing
very
good. And that kabadi wala is doing good. Really good.
No, like
Yes.
he have all the happy
As-
all the things in his whatever he
Yeah,
wants. I think.
Okay, having money is success.
Yeah.
Okay. There is a guy who has 400 crores in his bank account, but he's alone in life. He has no mother, no father, no brother, no sister. Is he happy? Is he successful?
No, I think.
Exactly. He's saying that he's the most unsuccessful man.
Ah.
Why? He's not having wife,
Because
children.
he has not a loved one.
But you said that if he is having money, he's successful.
Money, but with their father, mother, and loved ones, that's a successful person.
I want the definition. What is the definition according to you? Like if I say that this is the definition of success according to you. Oh, do you think that you guys are successful?
No,
Why? Mike? Why?
because we can't do anything in our life.
You're not happy?
No, not that much happy.
Why-
Because
why are you
because
not
I
happy
want
in your
to
life?
become a doctor.
Why are you not happy in your life? What is the problem that you
Because
face?
I want to become a doctor.
So if you want to
But-
become something, that doesn't mean you are sad.
But
It's a life is a process. Like if you want to become something, that doesn't mean you are sad. You're happy. You can be happy in the process
I am happy
also.
in my life, but sometime I thinking about
see, if I want to achieve something in life, I want to be at some level. That doesn't mean with the sadness I can go to that level.
Yeah,
I can be happy also.
But I always live happy, but sometime I feel very unhappy because I can't achieve my dreams. So I think when I become a doctor, then I will be a very successful person because I give my parents because doctor is not my dream, it's my father's dream, so I want to become a doctor
Okay.
for my father.
Okay. So tell me that if your son or your daughter wants to go abroad, okay, but you guys don't have that much of money, so what will you say to them to make them understand that you are not capable enough,
I will
or you will
tell
increase
them that
or you will increase your capabilities?
yeah, I will increase my capabilities first.
You want to give answer? This is the same question. Okay, pass the mic. Haji.
I will increase my capabilities and I will also समझाने में क्या बोलते हैं?
Make them understand.
make them understand that कि we are not capable at that time, but we are doing
Okay,
good.
Arshi, tell me, like you have faced bully in your life. You know bully? Like people
Yeah,
teasing
in
you
school.
or okay. Any
I
incident?
have no friends in my school.
Okay.
Except Shivi, in my life, no
Acha, here
one
is Shivi,
is my
Shivi?
no.
Okay, Shivi.
No one is my friend.
Okay,
in my
okay,
life.
clap for her. Why?
She is my first best friend, and I am sharing all my things with her.
Okay.
And she came my house.
Okay.
She
You will
is my only
make
friend.
the guys cry. Next. So what type of bully like you have faced in your life and why you have chosen her as your friend?
because in my school, when I go to school, no one talk with me.
Why?
I don't know why, but no one talk with me.
Don't you think that your nature might be bad?
No, I always talk to them. I go, but they are not. Matlab, go. They say to me, go and buy.
But
a
she never said
canteen."
that. No.
Go. They
Huh.
say to me, go and buy patties from the canteen. Always working from me, and they are not including me in their group. But always ये लेके आओ, लेके आओ. But she's very good friend, and we go.
She never eats your patties
No, we go. We both go and
and eat
eat aloo
patties.
parathas
Okay,
with
okay,
साथ में, ऐसा.
okay. So she's the only friend of yours in life.
Yeah.
You don't. You have no friend in your
no
life.
friend in my life.
Okay, okay.
She's the only friend.
Clap for both of them.